Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can mute or unmute emotes in Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To mute or unmute emotes in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and launch open your Clash Royale application. The home page of Clash Royale application will appear on the screen. From the battle page, tap on battle option. Now to unmute the emotes, click on message icon, right above next option, then tap on stop icon. This is how you can unmute emotes in Clash Royale quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.